Students, good morning. Students who are in the online. Am I audible? So now let's move to the further now. Previously, we have completed about what was the concept we completed? Dealing with missing data. And there we'll learn about how to find the non values. How do you apply the filling the null values? Okay. So let me go to the another part of it. At the same time, last session, I already started with how to export it and how to import it also we discussed, right? Fine. So now we'll move to the further. Go to the formula sheet and try to see this. So in yesterday 4 p.m. when my new batch was started, there was one student called Rions. Student name Rions. He is a 7th class student. The 12 years old. He came to the Python class and online student. He asked me, sir, can I learn Python? Can I learn Python? Is it suitable for me now? So what do you say? Is it suitable? Can he learn it? Is it required to him? Required or not required? So one girl, she was there, Swati. Her name is Swati. The moment I studied his name, read his name and posted that message on the screen. Swati saying that, sir is doing overaction, sir, remove from the meeting, he said. So come in. So she might be felt that already 24 years old people are there in the class. He is having lot of time to learn it and is almost coming to competitives to students. So I hope Veeresh, sir, his mindset is not suitable. Okay. Maybe correct. So he is not able to capable of understanding everything, correct? So you need a lot of at least 10th class mathematics knowledge is required. Of course, you also don't have the mathematics knowledge. I know that. It's a different story. Correct? Right. Anyhow, students, let us start now. Abhijit, suitable and easy. When you are the tutor, okay. Something complimenting. Okay. So let it be, students. Now I'll move to the further. Data filtering over. Data filtering and updation over a very important topic I covered yesterday. Now I'm going to talk about today. Removing column name from data frame. Removing row from data frame. These are the things. Next, I'll go for what? Sorting the data of data frame. This I'm going to discuss. Shall we start off? So now I will start discussing about the area here. Pandas. Here I'm going to say pandas. Removing the column name from where? Data frame. Very simple. Now I prepared multiple syntaxes. So let us take some column names and I'll go for it. So let us look into that. So simple. What is the function name? Come on, first syntax number 1. Data frame object dot drop of columns is equal to, you need to say column name. This is one thing. If you want to remove multiple columns, data frame dot drop columns is equal to square bracket. You need to specify multiple column names because already you know when you want to represent only one column, directly you write. If you want to write multiple column names, you can write column name 1, column name 2, column name n. Right? Sit in this local area, you sit. Sitting in non-local area is not good. So girls means girls, boys means boys. So now coming to the point here, data frame dot drop off. These are going to give you what? Only result will be showing, but it is not impacting on where? Data frame. Data frame dot drop columns is equal to column name, you say. Immediately you write what? in place is equal to true. Already you know in place concept. It is immediately reflecting to the data frame itself. It is reflecting to the data frame itself. One more. Data frame dot drop columns is equal to, you can remove that based on column number also. Here you are writing what? Column name 1, 2, 3, etc. Here we are writing data frame object. Columns is equal to data frame object dot columns of column number you are saying. 0, 1, 2, 3 column numbers will be there or not? That also you are specifying. So you can drop the column values by using column number also. And example, I mentioned it there. Example, there is a special data dot drop columns is equal to data dot columns of 3. That is third column value will be removed. Are you able to follow? So shall I move to the further now? So let us take care about, now I'm going to enter into this syntax. Go to the place. Now I'm going to say Jupyter notebook. Jupyter notebook I will take and see these examples now. I'll start with. So take care. Here. Are you practicing daily? Writing notes also? Boys, not saying anything. Everybody writing. Okay. So coming to the point back, here I am writing. And morning 7 o'clock, one new incident happens. First time I have seen that also. These are all new things in my 26 years of experience of teaching. Class is going on. Class is going on. He sat there only. And that person came. And he is not belongs to Python. They said he came for testing. Testing student he is. Testing student, which is going on adjacent room. He sat in my class. Almost at 8:25, he is sitting in my class. 8:25. He is waiting when the testing word will come, testing word will come. Finally, that is not coming. STR, all functions are coming. And finally, he is going without telling anything. Our student will not go like that, right? And even people are asking, even our students are asking, it's saying something like touching the shoulder. He's not saying, just going. And they said, is it testing class? He's asking outside. Is it testing class, sir? So people don't know who is the faculty, what is the subject, everything. I'm using Python, I'm saying. Na? At least beginning 10 minutes, it will come out. So students are like that. So, Giridharan, maybe. He's a cousin of maybe, I think so. Even I got that doubt in the morning because morning students don't know that that person doubt. Okay, start. Now go to this place. Examples on removing the column names. Column name or what? Column names from where? Data frame. So let us take the discussion. Import pandas as PD. Pandas as PD. Now I'm going to take one data frame now. Take one data frame. So df is equal to get the data. Here I will write it. Get the data from student marks. Student marks 1 dot what? CSV. So I'm writing here PD dot read underscore CSV. Read underscore CSV. Now I'll go to this data. So I will take up here the data is available. Student marks 1, I'll just take it because more number of columns are there now. That's why I'll prefer to take that. So here I am writing. There I will write it here, student marks 1 dot what? CSV. Student marks 1 dot CSV. Print of DF. So you got that entire data, correct? Now I'm trying to take about, I want to remove one column. Which column I will remove? So since I don't know Hindi, I will remove Hindi column. Hindi I know, but not perfectly. I will remove this Hindi column. And the Hindi students don't feel it. Telugu column also I will remove. English column I will keep it. Because these days students are becoming more. Sir, can you explain in Telugu sometimes in the class? 4 o'clock. This is even in your class also beginning they asked 1 or 2 members. So let us start. Remove what? Remove what? Hindi column. Hindi column. Hindi column I want to remove. How do you remove the Hindi column? You see. Come on to the point back. Data frame object dot. Yes. I will write syntax. I'll write the syntax here. I'll say here data frame dot drop of columns, column name. So how do you write it? df dot, you need to say drop. Drop I say columns is equal to name of the column. So take care, spelling mistake and everything, you need to write it. So there I'm writing Hindi. So if I print that, so what is happening? Space, space, very danger. Space. Now, done. Suppose if I am giving space, can you avoid that? Can you avoid this? So you got error or not? Can you avoid that? You cannot avoid. Your Gajni number 1 R strip already explained. R strip already explained to you. L strip, R strip, strip. Explained or not? Yes. Oh, yes, sir. When I say, yes, sir, you explained long ago. But when I ask first time, you will not say that. That is called Gajni number 1 property. Okay, students, no problem. You go on forgetting. I'll go on make you to remember as long as you are in my class. Once if I leave you go for interview, that time you forget, who will make you to learn? That's my inner emotions. Correct? When you are there with me, I can tell you, when you cross out of me, that time if you don't remember, how can it is? So take care. It removed or not? Done. But if I print df, what is happening? Original data printed again. So here it is dropped. It is dropped. Dropped or not? Yes. Now here Hindi is available now. I want to make it permanent. What I will do? Immediately will do in place. In place. That I will write it. One more column, multiple columns I want to remove now. Hindi I will remove. And next is what? Telugu I will remove. How do I do it now? Quickly. Come on, say fast. df dot removing what columns? Multiple columns. Removing multiple columns. Multiple columns from data frame. So stay students, df dot, what is this now? Drop. So what is my syntax ma? Columns. So I will carry this now students. Syntax number 2 I will take it. Syntax number 2. There I will write it. Column name 1, column name 2, etc. I'll say columns is equal to, you must write the name of the columns. What is that now? Hindi, HIN. Hindi. Next is called what? Telugu. So I just removing both of them. Take care about the spellings, ma. Take care about the case sensitivity. Both of them you take care. And here, Telugu as well as Hindi. This is my final data. You just see this. Results are Hindi is not there and Telugu was not there. But it is only called what? Temporary. If I make it permanently, what should I do? df in place is equal to true. I need to write it. Or you can write what? Assign the left side. Correct or not? So, but I will go for what? In place value I will prefer. Comma, what I'll do, ma? In place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true, I said. So you see now it is done. Print of what now? df. Print of df. That was permanently removed. Understand this? Now I will go for removing. With the column numbers. I want to go for it. Column numbers. Are you able to follow? Yes. So now I am going to write it. Here I am going to write it. df. What is this now? Column number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. I want to take it as a 5. So now I am going to take up. One small experiment I am doing, guys. I am going to write it. Columns. It will give you the columns or not. Dot what? Index. I'm just writing here. Index. I'm just going to write it. This is not going to there. So just I tested it. So since it is not there, let us not to worry about it. Now I'm going to take about what? Column indexes I want to see. How do you go for it? As you know already 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I just want to go for it. How do you write it? D of dot. So I will copy the syntax once, students. Based on what? Column number. Removing the column names. Removing the column names. Removing the column names from data frame. From data frame based on what? Column number. Column number. Nothing but what? Column indexes. So syntax, this is syntax. So see the syntax. Data frame object dot df dot. Now say here df dot drop of columns is equal to df dot columns. I will write it columns of what I will write it? Column number. What is the column number? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I will say here called what? 5. I am writing here 5. So I wrote it 5. Just observe it. Incomplete input. So write it. So it is going to be columns is equal to data frame object dot column of what? Columns of say columns of done. Columns of, not columns of like that. Columns of like this. No, column of this square bracket. Are you following? This, not this one. Earlier I used this one. Now I am using what? This bracket. Be careful. Multiple times if you practice now, you'll get that knowledge. Now if I print a df, print of what? Df. So you'll be getting original knowledge, original as it is. If you want to make it permanent, same thing. You try to apply, comma what? In place is equal to what? True you say. In place is equal to true you say. And print of what? Df you say. Like this we got it. Now I will remove what also? One more I want to remove. Just we will test it. Let us move to the further. I want to remove and English and science also I want to remove. If maths is there in the life, no problem. I want to remove both of them also. 0, 1, 2 and 3 and then what? 4. Which one I want to remove? Yes. So there I will go for it. 2 comma what? 4. I am writing 2 comma 4. I am trying to write like this. Are you following? 2 comma 4. So it is done. See how I am writing 2 comma 4. I am writing in list. List in other things. Are you following this? No. So coming to the point back. So Manisha, sir, why it is necessary to write in place is equal to true again and again? Please explain one more time, please. This is I am explaining from my childhood days onwards. This why again and again I am writing means by the time they have to get it. In place is equal to true means what? To modify in the same object itself. Because when you ask such type of doubts, myself will feel, I explained so many times. In place is equal to true means what? You are modifying in the same object. If I don't write it, what I should do? Only result is showing. Something like, I gave this example, Manisha, see ma, A is equal to A plus, if I write, what is the answer is coming? 2. But still A value remains 1 only. If I write A is equal to 1, if I write A is equal to A plus 1, it is called what? We are modifying the value of A in place itself. This is called a fundamental data type. There is no question of what? In place concept, but data frame is having in place concept. If I write in place, it is removed and new data placed in where itself? DF itself. That is the meaning of what? In place is equal to true. Almost I'm telling this from series level onwards, I'm saying. Not series, in NumPy level onwards, I'm saying. Okay, print anyhow. Anyhow, Manisha understood. Now let us print this. Gone or not? So we removed what concept? Removing column names from where? Column numbers. You are passing column numbers. So this is a small example also. I will carry and I will keep it for you. Here I will write it. Here multiple columns removed. Multiple columns. Examples here. So here one more syntax I will add. Not only a single column number, you can add multiple columns. So this is column number 1. Here I will write a tuple kind of thing. Column number 1, comma next what? Column number 2. So on any number of column numbers I will write it. So column number 2. So on what? Column number n. So did you understand, students? These are the syntaxes. Just I will write it. The following syntaxes are used for removing columns of data frame either based on what name? Column name or column number. This is one of the syntaxes. So you will go for what? Syntax number 1, syntax number 2, etc. You will use, and some small examples are covered. Are you following me? This is about how to remove the column names based on column names, based on column numbers. Are you able to follow? Now, let us go to the next stage. Next stage is what? I want to remove some rows from data frame. This is a very, very important. Removing the row from data frame. How do you remove the row from data frame? So I'm going to take up next. So pandas here, these are all very, very important for you. Removing row from data frame. So let me go to this place and start working on it. So save this, go to the new Jupyter notebook. So there I'm going to take up. So I will carry on this, removing the row from data frame. So there I will take up examples on removing data from rows from data frame. So there I will carry out. Here I am writing import here pandas as PD. So done. Let us carry out this example which I got it already. Read the data from this place. Get the data frame data. It is your own choice. If you want to take bigger data set, you can take it. Or if you want smaller data set, you can take it. This is my data, correct? Now I want to remove the rows. Whichever I like it, I can remove it. For that, just follow the syntax. Drop df dot drop. That is called a data frame object. Data frame obj dot drop. There also drop labels is equal to what? Index value. Index means what? Row. Axis is what? 0. Axis is 0. This is an important. Axis 0 represents what? Rows. Axis 1 represents what? Columns. Even this axis concept already came in NumPy also. In NumPy, sorting level is different. NumPy statistical operations level is different. That you have to carefully need to remember. Actually, PSF NumPy organization has to give similar kind of mechanism, but they are giving different rules and regulations. Next, second syntax you see, drop df dot data frame object dot data frame obj dot drop labels is equal to what? Index value 1, index value 2, axis is called what? 0. You see the example, guys. Example, df dot drop labels is equal to 0. Axis is 0. Here, axis 0 refers to what? Row. Label 4, axis is 0. Here, axis 0 refers to what? Row. Now, how can you delete your own random rows? Delete some chosen rows. Delete some chosen rows by rows numbers. Second row, 10th row, 10 like this. Second, Second means what? Second and int mount 0, 1, 2, 3. These are the numbers, right? Second means this one only now. According to relative position, relative means according to the user manner. This one is called what? Second record. But our programmer point of view, our index starts from where? 0. So second, ninth means what? 10th. 29 means what? 30. These are given according to our 0, 1, 2, 3 format. But these are given according to the end user point of it. Right or not? 10th and 20. In the end user point of view, 10. In our program, it is what? 9. You got it up? So let us having the syntax. Let me go for that. Let us start. Now I'm going to utilize. So here I'm going to say remove remove a record. Remove a record from data frame. From data frame. That is nothing but what? Removing row. So syntax is what here? What are the syntax here? Something like this. Data frame object dot drop labels is equal to index label value. Access is like this. So I'm going to write it. Df dot drop of labels is equal to index value. I'm removing something like 1. I'm removing this one. 1 I'm going to say. 1 I'm going to say. What is this now? Access is equal to what? 0. Access is 0. 0 refers to what? Rows. Which label? In the rows, what is removed? First one is removed. See that now? What is happening now? Drop got access. Yeah, access, correct. Access. So is it removed or not? This is 0, 2 is there. 0, 2. That is 0, 1 gone or not? Yes. So if I say print of what it is? df. If I print a df, getting 1 or not? To make it to there only, we will write what? In place is equal to what I will write? In place is equal to true, I will write it. In place is equal to true, I will write it. So d of I will write it. So you are going to get it what? 1 removed permanently. Are you following? Now I will go to remove, which remove a record. I will remove what record, 10th record I will remove, or something like 11th record I will remove. 11th. Say what here? 11. 11 I said. So remove print of what? df. Print of df. So I'm having what? 10, 12 is there. 10, 12 is there. 11th gone or not? Right. So see students, this is a one we got it. Are you following me? So let us move to the further. What is the next stage? Next stage I need to go for what? Multiple records. So this is called what? Removing one thing. Second one I'm going to say remove multiple rows. Remove multiple rows. There I'm writing. This is a syntax. Here I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to write it. Remove multiple records. Multiple records. From where? From data frame. From data frame. So how do I write it? Syntax I will write it. Syntax I'm writing. What are the syntax I'm saying? Fast. So there I will write it. Data frame dot. Come on. df dot drop of labels. Labels. Labels is equal to LA. Labels is equal to, you must specify the list of labels which are there with me. I want to remove 2. I want to remove 8. I want to remove 10, 12. 2, 8, 10, 12. Or take 3 if you get confused. 2, 8 you take it. 2, 8 enough. 2 comma what? 8 you take it. 2 comma 8 you take it. So yes, comma, what should I say? Access is equal to what? 0. Access is equal to 0. See that 2 is not there. 8 is not there. Are you able to follow? Yes. When you printed df, it is 2 is there, 8 is there. Now I will remove permanently. That you know already. Comma what? In place is equal to true. In place is equal to what? True. I said. Now see this now. Print of df. Print of df, students. So got it. 2 is gone. 8 is gone. So if I say here, I'm going to take up. Here I'm going to write it. Carefully try to follow. Here I'm writing labels. Here I wrote it. What I'm going to write it there? So I'm going to write it. Here I'm saying int of what? X. Int of x for x in range of what? 3 comma 6. 3 comma 6 or something like, something like 7 comma something like 12. Something like 12. What is the meaning of that? So it is going to remove from where? So see this now. We are getting error. So what this indicates? 7 to 9 axis. Okay. So say some y. Say some y. So 13 to where? 7 to 12. 8 is not there. So okay. 9, 10, 11 is 12, 13, 14. I will write it here. 12 to something like some 15, for example. 12 to some 16, you write it. So try to write it. Also giving the same problem. 12, 13, 14, 15 is not found any index. So here it is supposed to specify in the form of what? It is giving in the form of, so labels. Let me write like this. So see this now. Extra bracket I wrote it, and print of what? df. Print of df gone. Are you following this? Right. Because there I written some extra thing I wrote it. This is known as which concept? List comprehension. List comprehension I wrote it. Are you following, students? Are you following? Right. Is these things already you know or not? Yes. Let us go to the next random numbers I want to remove. Random numbers. Delete some random numbers. So delete some random rows. Something like whatever you feel it. Delete some chosen records. So I will go to this place. Let us take what I want to go for it. I will go for, as this syntax says that you can mention here, there in our loop. What is this now? See, df dot what? Index 1, 9, 29. I wrote it like that. Just to rebuild your data frame once, students. Rebuild your data frame once, ma. You try to see. This is, I'm rebuilding it. Rebuild it. So there I will get it. Rebuild once again. Try to say, this is our rebuilding. Now I'm going to say, remove the records based on user choice indices. User choice indices. What is the syntax here? I just want to go for df dot drop of df dot index. Indexes are going to come. Are you following? So already you know in our class, indices already we applied. What is the concept of it? We applied it. df dot what? Index. df dot index starts from where? 0 to 17. Starting from 0, 17. Step is called what? 1. 0 means first record. 17 means what? 16th one. This part you already know. So based on that, we are just coming to that area only. I'm going to take up this part you see. df dot index of 1, 9, something like, 14 I am writing. 1, 9, 14. 1 means what? Madhubabalu, 1 means what? 1 means what? This one. This one. Next, ninth means what? 10th. 14 means what? 15. These are called what? Existing positions. Existing positions. Try to run it and see this now. 1. Are you following that? So what is removed? These indexes only removed. I hope so. That indexes only. 14 means what? 14 only removed. I hope 14 only. So Sonu. Before Sonu, who is there? Sharif and what? Rajesh. Exactly. So that is user defined choices. 1914. That means it is removing exactly what we expected. 1 means 1 only removing. Are you following, students? So these indices are going to take exactly the same. That user defined and all those things, you don't worry about it. This part you just remove. 1929 are called what? Indices of our records. Are you following me? So here, this is another syntax I want to give it. Index value 1, etc. This syntax also I will try to write it. Third one, data frame object dot what? Drop of df dot index. Df dot index of what? Random index 1, comma, random index 2, any random index. Not only in the consecutive. You can specify your own index value, no problem. It's 2. So on what I will write it? N you can write it. N you can write it. Comma, what you can say? Of course, that itself is going to be called as what? Indexes only you are going to mention it. I hope you are getting, students. Drop off. Yes. This is about syntaxes for what? Removing the rows from where? Data frame. So this is the data which is printed. Go to this place once again. I'm going to say here, I will write a 2. I will write to be careful this time. 2 something 10 and then next is called 15. 2, 10, 15. 2, 10, 15. So what is happening? 2 gone, 2 gone. Of course, this I did not write in place or something I did not write. Original data remains same. One more time, print of df. This is my original data, correct? So there I am writing what? This you take care. This you take care and try to observe it. Here also I will write what? In place is equal to what? True you write it. See this now. Print of what? df. df. Are you able to follow? 2 gone, 10 gone, 2 gone, 10 gone, and then 15 also gone. Are you able to follow? Yes. Clear up? This is about removing any of the columns which we like it. This is about how to remove. So I'll write it. The following syntaxes are used for removing the records from where? Data frame based on what index? Row index. Based on row index. Now students, carefully try to follow. One more thing I'm trying to apply. Carefully try to follow. Here I will build my data frame object. Data frame object I'm going to build. Carefully follow. Here I'm going to write it. Now see, here I'm writing, as we mentioned here, as we mentioned in the beginning here, this first one you take it. Here I will take it. Coming to this area. Axis is 1 I am writing. Axis is 1 I am writing. Axis is what? 1. So 0, 1, 2. 0, 1, 2. Just I mentioned 2. Just I'm testing and don't take it as serious about it. Already we know how to remove the columns I said. Just I'm testing to see that something more meaning is coming or not. So what is happening here? It is going to give you key error because key 2 is not found in axis. So here axis is going to be mentioning only for 0 and this label 2, this is not going to be considering this value and I try to take this work back. Already you know how to remove the columns. You fix for it. I just attempted whether it is working or not. Are you okay? So with this syntaxes, we understood what? How to remove column names, how to remove rows. Fix. Are you following? Right. Go to the next online students. Did you understand this so far? Did you understand what we discussed so far? Next, I will go to the another part is called, what is the next story? Sorting the data of data frame. How to sort the data based on names. How to sort the data based on ascending order of mathematics marks, based on descending order of mathematics marks. Whichever data you like it, you can sort it out. Are you able to follow? Let us go for sorting the data from where? Data frame. Easy. Go to the place. Now I'm going to write it. Here I'm writing pandas sorting the data of what? Data frame. So what are the syntaxes here? Read out. Data frame object dot sort underscore values, and you mention the column name. Column name. Sort underscore data frame. Sort values. Column name. Ascending is equal to what? False. This function I already said to you in where? Series only. Series only. Today is very, very easy for you. Shall I go forward? Yes. Let's move to the further. Go to the new Jupyter notebook, because one notebook for one example for sending you the PDF file. Now I'm going to take up examples on sorting the data. So sorting the data from data frame. So I'm going to take up here. I will just take up here examples on sorting the data of data frame. So here I will try to paste it. Examples done. Now I'm going to take up import pandas. Import pandas. Now I'm going to take up as PD. Get the data set. Get the data set. What you got it? Same data set you try to take, because many columns are there. Many columns are there. Try to write it. Run this example. So you got this now. I want to sort it based on what? Names. Based on names, I want to sort. Rajesh, Ramesh, Rosam, something different people are there. Now I want to sort it out. Sorting based on what? Names. Alphabetical order. Ascending or descending or, we'll see one by one. Look at sort. What is the now? Sorting of what? Yes. So I'm going to take up, this is a syntax here. This is a syntax here. What is this now? Sort the names. Sort the names of what? Students. In which order? Ascending order. Ascending order. How do you do that? Df dot sort underscore values of, I must specify the column name. What is the column name? Name. See that carefully and then take up that column name, copy and paste it. Name. You see that are going to come by default in ascending order. By default, sort function will give you, from list onwards, you are seeing that. See that name, Biswa, B capital, Ganesh, Kalyan, Kambli, Karthik, Knox, Praveen, Rajesh, Razi, Rakesh, Ramesh, Richi, Rosam, Sharif, Shonu. These are all called what? Alphabetical order. Alphabetical order. If you want to print in where? Reverse of that data, you can apply what? Colon -1. Yesterday, one of my students got one word. What is the extended sorting technique for reversing a string? Extended slicing technique. Extended slicing technique for reverse a string. That word, by looking at it, you need not get confused. Extended slicing technique for reversing a string. That only. So he did not understand the word called what? Extended slicing. Even I did not say. I said what? Reversing a string. That's more than enough. You can say the answer. He said that. So that's done. And the second round is there today. And today his round is there on, actually is called for data analytics engineer. These are getting from 5 days, which I'm seeing from my students. Data analytics analysis engineers, data engineers, especially exclusive on pandas, only on pandas. So in one season, one variety of jobs will be coming out. So be perfect. colon colon minus 1. If I say that, it will come in which order? Reverse order. So let us go to print the data once again. Original data we are getting df. Now let us get this original data. Print it in where? Descending order. How do you print in descending order? Come on, fast. Already said. This is the one. I will take up what? Here I will write it. In which order? Descending order. Already I said to you. Descending order. What I should write, ma? Ascending is equal to what? False. Ascending is equal to false. I will write the same thing here. Ascending is equal to false. So here I am writing ascending is equal to what? False. So see that, students, we are getting Sonu, Sharif, Rosam. Last who is there? Biswa. It was there earlier on the top or not? Yes. So this is a one done. If we want to place it in the same place to make it permanent, what we will do? In place is equal to true. That is a regular story. In place is equal to true. You can just say this part and you will be getting print of what? Df. Permanent change is done. Are you following? Now I want to get mathematics descending order. I want descending or ascending order. Lower to higher I want. What I will do? Same to same. Come on. Same to same. Who is this now? 14, 13. This is an order of it. So today I'm going to take what? Maths. I take it. See the things carefully. Maths. What I'm going to take it? Ascending is equal to what? False. You want ascending is equal to false. You remove that. In place is equal to true, you say. Now print off what you know? Df, which is by default coming in where? Ascending order. Maths. So 55, 56, 67, 68. All of them are called what? 99. Are you following? Yes. So suppose if I want to get it, suppose for example, get the topmost mathematics student name. Who got highest mathematics? Who print the name of the person who got highest mathematics marks? How do you print it? You got it now? This is the one which is giving you what? Highest mathematics. This is which order? Ascending order. What is the last value? How do you get it? So get highest, 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 highest maths marks, highest, highest secured max marks and name. How do you get it? df dot మొదబబులో tail of 1. Tail of 1. మొదబబులో చూడండి అక్కడ tail of 1. Tail will give you what? Last. But I want to get what? 1. Last one. Last one. Tail of 1 of what I am writing? Name I am writing. Name I am writing. Name I got it. How simple it is. And I want to get it what also? Marks also I want to get it. Maths. Maths marks also I want to get it. Of course, I need to write it error. And error is very dangerous in this place. And name and maths. Are you getting ideas, huh? Not getting, find the next what? Find the second highest. Find the second highest. Find second highest maths marks and name. Tell me now if you are ma df dot tail of end of df dot మొదబబులో I will write it. df of I will write it. df of what? -2. df of -2. df of -2 colon what you know? -1. df of -2 colon -1. So who is that? Ramesh. Where I taught? మొదబబులో number 1. చూడండి మొద్దుబాబులు. So here df of what? Row start, row stop, row step. You are very good boys and girls, but subject no. Sincere, not going outside, not buying anything. Sincere, but subject not remembering. Sincere, you are, I'm giving certificate, but subject sincere boys and girls. Subject already explained or not? Yes. From there, what I want to get it? What I want to get it? What I want to get it? Name plus what? Marks kada moddu. So, got it. Now, I want to get it. Last two people names. 2 colon. 2 colon. So, I'm going to get it here like this. I'll tell you one small story. So, -2. Find what? Find what? First highest. First and second highest mass marks and their names. So, got it. Ramesh and Rosam. Ramesh and Rosam. Are you following this? Yes. This data, I want to get it in where? These are the things that I want to print it in this way. It is going to get like this. When Sari is saying, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. But when I ask you, no, sir. No, sir. You say, sir. Like that. See that you can do anything. Regular dialogue, hairstyle, combing, any direction. Regular dialogue. That is applicable in everyday moment. Easy or difficult? Easy. Now I want to find out. Shall I? Now my question is, who is the second least in maths? Who is the second least in marks? Today I will give one homework for you. One beautiful homework I will give today on this data set. Everybody has to do that. Now case study concept will be starting now after doing something. Now I want to find what, my dear students? Find what? Second least marks. Second least marks in maths and print name and marks. Yes. Already you know this. You try to print of df once. Find out df. This is my mark. You already know this is in which order? Ascending order. Second least means what? I know second. First list is available at 0. Second list is available at 1 index. 1 index. How do you find out? This is my data. How do you write it? df of, I just want to go for it. df of, come on. 1 colon 2. 1 colon 2. 1 colon 2. This is a Raj is the least person, and observe it. Raji is the second least person. Right or not? So I want to find out that his name. I want to find out. How do you find out that? Of what I can say? Only name I can say. Name I can say. Got it or not? Yes. Is it difficult? Right. How simple it is. Is it difficult? Easy. So next, I want to find top. I want to find higher. I want to find top 5 students who got it in total marks. Top 5 totals. Top 5. Remember my question. Find the top 5 totals. Find the top 5 totals. Name print session. There is no hurry at all, students. Don't buttify. Top 5 totals means what? Actually, you don't have the total. Correct or not? If you want to find total, you can find out. Already you know how to find the total. Just to take it. I will do it immediately. Of what? Total. Just TOT. TOT is equal to DF of what? Yes, you know that how to do it. Plus df of Hindi, df of Hindi, yes, Hindi. Next what, ma? df of what? English, ma? Okay, okay. Equal to. So next block, next df of what? Maths. I will take it as maths. Here maths. Plus next is what? df of what? Science. Science I will take it. Science plus what next? Social science. Social studies I will take it. So I wrote it social here. Done. Okay. Done. Print of what, ma? df. Now this is my data. This is my total. I got it. Now I want to get what? Top 5 totals. And I know that I sorted my data based on what? Already I sorted. Already I sorted. That is in sorting only. So what I want to get it? Last 5 or not? These are the 5 toppers, right? These are the 5 toppers. Not toppers, huh? Not sorted, huh? Right. So, okay. No problem. We sort it. Okay, na? Sort. df dot what? Sort underscore values. Sort underscore values. Of what? Total. Okay. Total. Go to what is that now? Syntax already you know. Of what I can say here. Sort values. This you can copy. This you can copy. So here I am writing like this. Okay. So TOT. Yeah. TOT I can say. TOT. This you try to see. Done. Print of what? df. Print of df. So we sorted. So this is the sorted data. On what basis? Total basis. Total basis. So this is my criteria is this first top 5 people. I want to get top 5 people. df dot get top get top 5 get top 5 highest scorers. Highest scorers. How do I get it now? df dot tail of 5. Tail of 5. Tail of. Tail of 5 also no, you can write no problem. Tail of 5 also you can write no problem. Nothing wrong in that. This I got it or not? This I got it. But these are coming into what? In the same order, in whichever is there. So top 5 square means first one is toppest person. Next, like that I want to get it. So what I do is I will write a colon minus 1. Colon minus 1. Now so no reach all these things came. Are you following me? Like that. From there I want to get it what? From there I want to get it what? Name and total, comma what? TOT. TOT. I want to get it. I want to get it. Are you following me? So like that I am getting name or totals. I am getting. Like this you need to get it. Are you following? So like this I need to get it. Getting up? So on this I just want to go for giving some small case study. So did you understand how to sort the data? How to sort the data? What is the formula here? So this one I can write here what in place is equal to true. That is already there. And this is going to give you in place is equal to what here true. This is one thing. So I'm going to write it. Most useful concept. Now the following syntaxes are used for sorting the data of data frame based on column names based on column name either in what ascending order or what in the bracket by default this is or descending order. Okay students, right, done. Syntax number 1, syntax number 2, and you already applied on this area. Now go to the formula sheet. Now just let me cover that part also. Removing column names, removing row data, and then sorting also you understood. Now I'm going to understand here knowing duplicates in data frame. This is also very important. Duplicate row, complete duplicate row. Missing data already you have done it. Wherever there is a nan is there, we used to find that value so that it is required for us to fill the data. But here I am saying the situation like, for example, elections are going on, for example. You are living in TS, you are living in AP, and you are settled in TS, and what you are having, your native place is this, and settled here. And you are having vote in TS and having vote in AP also, for example. So Election Commission of India decided to find the duplicate voters. So duplicate voters means what? Here, the Aadhaar card is a basis for both the places to check. On the basis of same Aadhaar card, same name, all those things they will check. Duplicate entries they will check. Except epic number. Epic number is there or not? Except epic number, they will search the rest of the details. Aadhaar card number and then name they will check it. That time we can find the duplicate entries. How to find such a duplicate entries? Important, students. Knowing the duplicates in data frame. For that there is a function. Spell out duplicated. Gives, do you know Boolean result? What is the Boolean result? That's all. True, false. So what the function will give you? Duplicated. Gives what? Boolean result. Wherever there is a true is coming, that true entry is called a duplicated. False it is coming, it is a unique entry only. Wherever there is a true, it is indicated as what? Duplicated. That I want to eliminate. For that, there is a function name called what? Removing the duplicated data from, what is this now? Drop duplicates. Drop duplicates. Next what? Drop duplicates in place is equal to true. Last class I already said drop now. Drop now is for what? Wherever there is a nan, that will be removed. But here it is what? Complete duplicate entry. Duplicate, drop underscore duplicates, drop underscore duplicates in place is equal to true. Understand, students? So this both of them I will cover as one separate area. So here I'm going to take up, see students, pandas, I'm going to write it, knowing the duplicates and what? Removing the duplicates. Knowing the duplicates and next what, pa? And removing the duplicates. Removing the duplicate entries. So to find the duplicate entries, to find, I'm writing, to find the duplicate rows, duplicate row or rows, we use the following syntax. We use the following syntax. This is number one. To remove the duplicates, to find the duplicates, we use this. To remove the duplicate entry, to remove the duplicate entry, duplicate row, duplicated row from data frame, we use the following syntax. So totally functions, we use the following syntax. So let's start with how to following syntax. So let us go to the place and try to apply both of them. So let's go to the place. Now I'm going to apply the same example I will carry, because in this entry intentionally I was entered what? One duplicate entry I placed it. See students, now I'm going to take up, here I'm going to take. So examples for what? Examples on finding what? Duplicates and remove. Okay, let it be first. I'll go for that. You go to this place, this you write separate. So this you write it. See this now, data got it. Examples on finding what? Duplicates. So how do you go for it? Let me give the file name also. So here, and removing duplicates. Removing duplicates. So there I will go to find the duplicates now. There is one person is having the same data repeated twice. How do you find? We'll go for using. To find the duplicates, we use this. So go to this. Gives what syntax? Boolean syntax. Everything you have to write in the note, students. Because these are very important. To work as data analytics engineer, only Panda subject is enough. Of course, NumPy is built on the top of it. You already know that. Syntax. Now see that. How do you write it? Df dot. What is the function name? Come on. Duplicated. Duplicated. Just to see, ma. 0th entry, false, 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 false. 12th place, there is one duplicate entry is there. 12th place, there is one duplicate entry. What is the 12th place? Kalyan. Is a student having duplicates. Somewhere else, there is a Kalyan is there. 4th place, there is a duplicate. 4th place, there is a duplicates like this. Are you following? How to find the duplicates? How to find the duplicates? df of, I already said in the class, is equal to what? Kalyan. df is equal to what? Kalyan. df is equal to Kalyan. Here I will write it. Kalyan. So this is going to give you what? Last class also I said. So got it. Here two duplicates are a true is coming. Pass that to whom? df dot loc of Kalyan got it. Last class only I said. I already said that. Number of duplicates in this place is called what? I said len of. So got 2. Like that. But only thing is you have to start working so that you will get it. Actually, by looking, this is only the analysis. They will give one data set for you. They will give some questionnaire they will give you. Maximum they will give 5 questions. I will give you 15 questions. 15 questions I'll give you. First 5 questions you will solve it. And 10 questions okay, average student can solve it. And more average student, more intelligent student like you will solve 15 questions when you read my notes. So one girl is looking at another girl. Are you? Like that. So, correct, ma? Okay, let it be. You can solve it once you read the notes. So I said, come on now, duplicate. Finding duplicate or not? So remove the duplicate. Remove the duplicate. How do you remove the duplicate? Drop. I will use this. 2 syntaxes are there. Go to the place. Here I will write it. So this I will write it syntax number 1. Syntax number 1 for this. Syntax number 2. Syntax number 2. This is another one. How do you do? Df dot drop duplicates. How it find the drop duplicates? Wherever there is a true, that will be removed simply. Drop duplicates. Which one gone? Which record gone? 12th is a true is there, that is removed. See that 11 and 13 is there. Kalyan is there, 4th place Kalyan is there, but whose duplicate entry? Kept the voter list in TS, removed from AP. One place they will keep it, one other place they will remove. Are you following this? Print of what? DF. Still original data will come. 12th is coming again. So to remove it permanently, we'll go for what? Yes. In place is equal to what? True. In place is equal to true. So I'll write it. In place is equal to what? True. So here you print a D of students that is permanently removed. Are you following me? Yes. Able to understand? Now, I want to ask you one beautiful question. Will you answer it? Okay. Now, my question is, I want to find name of the people starts with a, I want to find the name of the people starts with a letter S. List the names of the people which starts with S. I don't know anything. I want to answer that. Find the name of the people. Find the name of the people. Find the name of the people whose first letter starts with R, R, because R, many names are there. This is your query. This is my data. Rajesh, Ramesh, Raji, Richi, Rajesh, Rakesh, like that. Madhubavalo, D of, first you need to get what? Name. ఇంత సింపుల్ అసలు. సార్ ఆస్క్డ్ అబౌట్ నేమ్. ఓకే, సపోజ్ యూ డోంట్ నో నేమ్, యూ జస్ట్ సి, ఒక్కసారి వినండి. హౌ టు ఫైండ్ నేమ్ ఈ ఆస్ట్. ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ వెదర్ నేమ్ కాలమ్ ఈస్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్. చెక్ ఇట్ అవుట్. కాలమ్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఆర్ నాట్. వాట్ ద కాలమ్ నేమ్? ఓకే, go to that. d of dot loc of what now? Name. All the names d of dot, what is this? d of dot what? d of dot loc of, so remove this dot name, so name is coming. Why to bother about? Known thing is important. That also you can use it. You go to keep our formula sheet. Already there is a concept called what? Dot loc of what? You need to say what? Row number as well as directly column name is not there. That's why it is coming. If you want, you can go to like this also. What you can say? Go there. What you can say? D of dot loc of colon comma, what I can say? Name. Colon name. Like this you say. Name is coming. Okay now? So, okay. Next, what you will find? Okay, anyhow, you found that name or not? Yes, you got like this. Okay, next. Huh? Okay. After that, I am waiting. Dot. Dot starts STARTS with R. Who said this? Raise your hands. Very good. Who said? Madhubavalo. Correct. Correct. Really correct. Starts with is a function present in where? Starts with function, I said, in where? STR. But you are calling df of name is which type? Series type. What is the name of the series here? Name. So, df type of what? df of what now, students? Of what here I am writing? Name I am writing. So you are getting which type? Series type. In series, do you have starts with function? No, it is definitely called what? Error or not? df of what? Name dot what? Starts with of what? R. So it is going to give you error. Before saying something, you don't say whatever you like it. You think of it. So it is called what? Error. So I'll just write it for your understanding. Okay, common. This is common. I don't expect you will say immediately. Error. Because starts with function present in S, present in where? STR, but not in series object. Okay now? Okay. Then somebody said some loop. Correct. Come on. Starting. Next I will go for what? For name in where? df of what? Something like NA or some S name, student. Of what I will write it? Name. Print what? Yes, name. So I'm getting what? Into my own I am taking my own place. Comma what? Type of what? STR. Type of STR or yes name? Yes, name I am taking. Yes, name. STR coming or not? Now I am going to say, beautiful. Now I am going to write yes name dot starts with R. I am writing. So suppose there is a small r, there is a capital R. whatever it is. Daughter. So now I'm going to say, you are going to get it. What is this now? Starts with indentation symbol. Print of what? Yes, name. Yes, name. I'm going to write it. This is the one. Are you following? Suppose there is a small r is there. That time, daughter, lower. If you say lower, what will happen? This capital R convert into what? Lower. If it upper is there, dot upper. ఏం తెలివితేటలేమే. Stop it, all of you. Or I say what? Or I will say name dot what? Starts. Name dot start of what? Small r. Either capital R or small r, or operator. Your intelligence is so international. So, got it. Another way is what? Another way is what? Like this. Name of 0. Name of 0 in where? Capital R or what? Small r. In membership operator, I am using membership operator. Name of 0 will give you what? First letter. First letter is what? Either capital R or small r. Means you print it. You print it. Same. See how many logics. Logics అంటే తెలివితేటలు. Intelligence. That is your asset. Understand? In software company, what are you keeping? Your intelligence as an asset. On that returns you are taking in the form of salary. Are you intelligent? Test it by knocking the head like that. Are you intelligent? After going to room, you just knock. Don't take a stone and don't rock it. You just knock with a finger. Are you following me? Right. Please be careful. Print of 1 minute, students. str print of what? Df. Print of df. Are you understanding? Now I am going to say df dot df of what? Come on. Name. df of name. df of name. Dot str dot starts with r. Dot starts with r. New concept I'm saying. df of name is what? Series. In series, what is str? It is an object of str class. It is an object of str class. Not getting. Go. Go to this place. You see. So, now s is equal to what now? Str. What is s? Object of str. Object of str. S comma what? Type of s. Len of s is what? 0. It is called empty string. You can also say like this. Print of what? S. Len of s is what? 0. Understand? Now, see, str is equal to str of. Str is equal to str of. What is str? Object. Of which class? Str class. You can print of what? Str, comma, type of what? Str. It is called what? Str only. What is this str? Object. Of which class? Created in where? Series. Series. Class series. Inside the series class, str is the instance data member. How do you call it? Series object dot str. sys dot path dot append. Did I explain this or not? In the packages. What is sys? Module. What is the path? Global variable. How do you call it? Sys dot path. Today, df of what? Name is which type? Series. In series, who is there? str object is there. On which name? str only. If they write KVR, they don't get the feel of KVR is an str. They gave directly as what? str. Str is what? Object of str. Object of str contains what? All our functions. All our functions. Come on. What is df of name? Str. Dot what? Starts. What is this? R. Str is a data member in where? Series. Str contains which function? Starts with yes. So what is that? True, 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 true. In that place, RRR is there. In one more place, true, true is there. I will pass to whom? DF of, DF of, I will pass it. What I got it? Rajesh, Ramesh, etc., etc. I got it. Are you following this? Easy or difficult? Easy. I want to get their names. I want to get their names. A name. I'm saying names. I got it. This is the beauty. This is the beauty. This is called what? It's called what? LKG style. Of course, coding is always super style only. But when you become a professional, you have to write like this. Are you following me? Easy or difficult? Hey, why are you not saying? Easy or difficult? మొహమాటం కన్నా చెప్పండి ఈజీ అని. Easy or difficult? Easy. This is dead easy. Huh? Right. Mohan. Right. Okay. Now coming to the point. Starts with, ends with, upper, lower. I said so many number of functions. Join, all those things I said. Did you remember that? Like that you need to use it. That's fine. Now I'm going to say, did you understand how to find this now? So today I'm giving one small assignment. Okay, 10 is 10:42. I felt that I came 5 minutes back only. Now I will give one case study. Tomorrow I will give you one case study. Will you do it? Right. Now one more small example you see. This I already posted now. This data set I posted up. Student marks not posted. I'll post today. You do something. Find the okay. Tomorrow I will dictate students. Today I will post it. You practice this example. Tomorrow I'll give you case study. What is the first case study? On student marks. Next I'll go for immediately. Tomorrow I'll discuss one more concept. Group by concept I will explain. After that, I will go for what? One more concept called what? Data frame merging. I will take it. Data frame. One data frame with another data frame merging. Merging of data frames. I will use it. Then after that, I will go to yet, I yet also there. That is also very simple. You see, my dear student. Print of what? DF. Print of DF. So I'm going to write it. DF dot at DF dot at 0. DF dot at 0. What it is giving? DF dot at off like this. So it is going to give you. Don't worry. In next class, I will cover that. So, Rakesh, some student, what is your opinion about divine AI? Instead of worrying about divine AI, sky AI and etc., you try to divine AI, and yesterday I spoke about it. Don't worry about it. You just follow my guidelines, read the notes properly, and nothing will happen. Even AI comes, you are not only one, I am not only the one. Are you following? And see, look at, once all of you look at, in US, some years back, they attempted to go for driverless cars. Some years back, driverless car technology came, correct or not? Is it available now? Is it available? In Hyderabad, if anybody going with driverless car, almost when they reach to destination, so many garbage collectors will come and collect it. That's why that is also AI implementation. That is not that much a joke to make it to work efficiently. Definitely, human intelligence is compulsory required. You adopt the technology, but don't think that AI coming night by night and then replacing everything. Don't worry. You have ample of time. You will get good opportunities are there. Don't worry about divine AI. If you try to think about that negative thoughts, you can't do anything else. Okay now? And one more thing is, already some 15 years back, robots coming in teaching. Robots coming in teaching. For example, a robo is purchased by NIT and kept in the classroom. and is explaining this robo accent is totally English is from US. Will you understand English words of US people? Then what you will do, you will leave the class immediately one by one. Only robo is there, is going on teaching by her. And you will watch robo, the how it is moving the hand and etc. After some time, you will get boring of it. My dear students, don't worry about all these things. You will not have any problem. 30 years, you will not have any problem. Try to learn well and be positive, first of all. Only positive means without reading, if you sit quiet and calm in the room, nothing will happen. So read well and something is going to be. So now, what is that? Prasad, Satyagopal is saying something. What is the Satyagopal is saying? Satyagopal sir, yesterday Django. Okay. So for certain things, there is no answer from my side. So if I started commenting, I will comment very dangerously. That's why for certain things, I don't want to comment. So Django started, go, listen, if possible, learn. If I comment now, because all fingers are not same. Some finger is big, some finger is small and all. So my dear students, cooperate. Because one thing you remember, you studied 5th class, 10th class, intermediate, engineering, and finally you are at KVR. Finally, you are at KVR. And I taught to you in such a way that where you can forget previous people. I forget your previous people, right or not? I'm feeling like that. Is it? And after me, afters are parallel to me, somebody is saying something and you are asking me, you to teach. And that is my intention. If I explain the subject, you cannot sit in any of the other classes. Like that, I want to explain crystal clear concept. If anybody don't know about my class, I can't do anything else. If they come to my class and if they listen my total programming and subject, if they go and sit in other classes, they can't sit even in 10 minutes properly because they are teaching just the theory. But our classes completely, the moment I speak something, I'm showing programmatically in the class. That is what needed for the student. That is what student require. Okay, now that is what is called education, correct education. That is okay, students. So Siddhant Sekhar. So that is only when you start your Django class. That is only one question I don't have the answer in my packet and in my brain also. So, my dear students, if something is difficult, read more. If Samsar is explaining so easily, clearly, read less. I hope you are understanding. If it is normal way, go fast. If it is hill is coming, take more efforts to climb the hill. I think you are understanding. Right. So, actually, Django dead easy. First of all, Django dead easy compared to Python. It depends on how SAR teaches. If I give a big watermelon, if I say eat, he'll say, sir, how to eat? Another sir will do what? Cutting, taking equal spaces of that and putting into where bowl and keeping pepper, salt, etc., which is useful to your health, keeping the fork and bringing to you in the plate. And if you are trying to eat, okay. Otherwise, sir will take the hands like this, legs like that, and putting one by one in your mouth, and it will enter into the digestive. If digestive system not working, we cannot do anything else. So my class will take you the subject up to your mouth by crystal clear explanation. REST API also same. REST API also same. And you know, in Python, there are design patterns also there. You see my content. Just KVR backup, KVR backup, Python full stack. You see my Django course content. Marvelous. Marvelous. Django content. Module 1, Module 2, Module 3, Module 5, Module 6, Module 7, Module 8, Module 9, Module 10, Module 11, Module 11, and next Module 13. Project. Project. This is the one. It is subject. There is one more, REST API. REST API. So REST API. REST API. This is completely authentication level. Rest. So this is the one. And recently Python got it. And design patterns also came. Python design patterns, design patterns, design patterns. These are the Java related design patterns now using in MBT architecture. In Django, there are three files are there. Settings.py, urls.py, manage.py, wsgi.py, and then that configuration require, and that flow has to explain flow, how the flow is. Then HTML form integration, JavaScript coding integration, Python code integration, database code integration. If they explain crystal clear, then you will be happy. So what student want? Sharp తెలియాలి first. That is the style. Okay. If I go on saying now, you will carefully listen. And okay, students, try to learn everything according to that faculty convenient. So now I'll stop my class and move to the further. So I will go to tomorrow. The concept called what? With this formula sheet, I did this concept, filtering, conditional change, removing all the things done. Next, I will go for sorting also done and removing duplicate. There is one small concept is there, adding new row to the data frame. We removed the data frame. Tomorrow I'll go for what? Adding. Sit properly. Chair will break means I'll break you. So coming to the point back here, this is the one, and you will take KVR sir is lenient and you will do whatever you like it. Actually, I am the first person to speak closely to you. If you do something extra, na, go to back to pavilion. So let it be. This I will explain. I'll go for what group by concept I will tell you. Group by concept. There is a new feature in Pandas. I'll explain. Later I'll go for case study related things. I'll go for it. Our big data is there here. What is the big data? Google Play Store. Google Play Store is there. In YouTube, how many apps are there? In YouTube, how many apps are there? How many channels are there? Channels, I mean. How to find that channels? Analysis on channels. Who is viewing which channel? How many? That type of thing. See, that you can keep it in the project, Pandas project. That is the subject. Hmm? So, sir, how to upload photo? So, come to the point of it. Uploading photo is a just 1 or 2 minutes job. So, let it be, students. So, Vani, I will tell you, I will tell you. Don't worry. Let me come to the case studies. I'll tell you everything. I'll tell you everything. Suppose tomorrow there is a company. A company is asking how to find the number of stars in the sky. From where to get the stars related data set. I'll tell you the example for you. Don't worry. In my class, come peace of mind. You think in such a way that sir will take care of everything. That keep on my shoulder. Because student means what? A small, like a leaf. That leaf we have to make it as what? Flower. Of course, leaf will not become flower. This I'm saying. To the leaf, it has to grow flowers. That flower has to become, what is that? Fruit. Before fruit, raw fruit will be there or not? After raw, you will become what? Fruit. And fruit is going to the interview. Interview, you will get the job. That is the way of teaching. That is what I read in my PhD. Okay, now take care. All the best. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very important. Students in online. Vamshi Krishna.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Morning, Vamshi.
Sir, one small doubt, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, I have my background is BSc Microbiology. We are eligible in software IT side, sir.
Why not, Ma? Why not? Every person can work. Because even when we were the students, even Bachelor of Arts students also used to get the job in software. Only
Sir,
thing
but
is you need to have the.
my friends are is working there, but you are not eligible in your background is microbiology. Now, why you have eligible in that?
No, no. You try to look into the Python side. Python and data science side, you look into that.
Okay, sir.
Okay, ma?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Reshma.
Morning, sir.
Morning, ma.
Sir, I'm sorry to say repeatedly that I like to join your Django class by seeing the syllabus today. Sir, after Matplotlib, will you conduct the Django class?
See, ma, right now it is not possible to conduct because all my schedules are busy now. Because 4 o'clock also started Python.
Okay. So after this Matplotlib class, will you conduct?
I can't say that. I can't. We can't give a guarantee that whether it will start or something else will start.
Okay. Okay, sir. Okay.
Right. Indu. Indu Gupta.
Hello, sir. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Sir, I have a doubt in a program which is related for regular expression, sir.
Okay, ma'am.
Name and mails program, sir.
Huh?
Name and mails program.
Okay, tell me.
Sir, that program is not giving any output. Also, no
Are you giving
giving
any
any error,
spaces?
sir.
Giving any space in that? In the regular expression, are you giving any space?
No, no, sir.
Can you post your program now?
Yes, sir.
Post it.
Sir, posted, sir.
Okay, ma'am. You have written two double closing brackets. So I will just show you, ma. Just look into that. Your 9 a.m., ma? 9 a.m. batch, huh?
No, no, sir. 11 a.m. batch, sir.
Okay, okay. Just look into this.
Actually, I copied your program, sir. Also, it's not giving any output, sir.
1 minute, ma. I will show you that. Here you see, ma. Here you have written it. A to Z. You have written extra bracket. Are you seeing this? This
Yes.
extra bracket.
Yes, sir.
That you have to remove. And you have to write capital S. You need to write.
Okay, sir.
Small s means spaces. You have to write capital S,
Okay,
not
sir.
a small s. Then you will get the result.
Okay, sir. I'll try, sir.
Okay, ma. You will get
Thank
the
you.
answer. You will get the answer. Okay.
Yes, sir. Sir, I copied your data, also your program. After that, it's not going any output, sir. It's
No, no,
going
no.
only structure, sir.
No, you have done wrong. So you are saying, moreover, you copied my program. My program you see. That is what you are saying wrong. That I don't like it. You see, my program, if you copy, you will get perfectly. Because in the class, I am going to show the program only now.
Yes, sir.
That time you got result now.
Yes, sir.
Then why you want to get the result? You see what is my program. Names, mails. See that what is that done. Mails listed example.py. So I wrote very perfectly. So mails list. This is a names marks list. This is. So when you copy my program, you will get 100% output will come. If you don't do properly, then problems will come.
Okay, sir.
So names,
Name mail.
mails.
Example, sir. Names mail.
This one. You see
Yes.
capital S I used it.
Yes,
How
sir.
can you get it? Output will not come. This I already executed in my class.
Yes,
Just
sir.
go to that once and then CMD I will say. Go to the place PY. That program name is called what? Names marks. Names mails. Names mails.py. Go there and then see. Here I will names. Program name is names mails dot. Just a minute. Names mails.py. Names mails. Mails example.py. See that got output or not?
Yes, sir.
Then
Sorry, sir.
no problem. Take care. Do the changes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sorry.
Okay.
Thank.
Next, Baba S. Baba S.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, ma'am.
Sir, if you don't mind, when will complete the pandas, sir?
Pandas will take 4 to 5 days, ma. Still.
Yeah, okay, sir.
Sumit. Student name Sumit.
Yeah. Am I audible, sir?
Yeah, Sumit, please.
Sir, I have a doubt in the previous examples you said in the rows. If the rows remove from data set, but their index remains same, sir.
If the rows
Uh,
remains.
s- if if the rows remove from data set,
Hmm.
but their index remains same, sir. So
How it
what
will
should
be?
we do?
Example, already
Ha,
removed now. Already
ha,
removed now.
ha, index with index removes our rows.
2 is
So,
removed. 2 is removed. 2 we have a.
so how can we get two index here?
No. I'm saying that based on the index I am removing. Here 2 is there or not?
But in previous data frame, na, sir. But if we have to join again consecutively numbers,
No?
same in the same data set, we have to join again with consecutive numbers, sir.
I'm not getting your doubt, first of all.
May I speak in Hindi, sir?
Hindi, I don't understand properly.
Okay, sir. Then means 0, 1, 2 in the new
See,
data frame.
1 minute, ma, look at. This is my data set now.
Yes, sir.
Suppose I decided to remove, according to our example, 2, 10, 15, I want to remove. 2, 10,
10,
15.
15.
This I want to remove. So I call.
But
1 minute,
yes,
1
sir.
minute, 1 minute. Let me speak. 2 is removed. Here 2 is removed. Next is called what? 10 is removed. And
Yes, sir.
15 is removed.
Yes, sir.
Yes. That's it.
Yes, sir. But my doubt is not that, sir. My doubt is if we have to join the index again, means rearrange the indexes.
Adding the rows. Sir.
Adding.
Adding the rows. Adding. Tomorrow I'm going to, I said now already, adding new row to the data frame.
Yes, sir.
Adding new rows to the data frame.
Okay,
This I
sir.
will cover.
And another doubt was df dot to underscore CSV. In that code, sir, my data is not stored in files, sir.
CSV file, you have to specify the path and everything. Properly, you need to specify the path.
No, sir, executing cells, but not save in files.
I already shown in my class now.
Yes, sir.
So that when you save it, result will not come. It is saved in the file. That file you have to open and see.
Okay, sir. Okay.
That file you have to open and see. Okay, now.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Right.
Sir, would you please teach statistics formula in this batch, sir?
No, this is statistics will come. There is a separate batch is there in our data science.
Okay, sir. But I joined in Prakash Senapati sir class, but it is not getting the statistics formula, sir, very
So,
well.
actually easy, that they have to teach properly.
Yes. So that's why I asking you, sir,
That's
because
fine.
you are teaching very well, na, sir.
Yes, but our boundary is going to be different now. If I am teaching data science level, that is, I used to teach differentiation, integration, and statistics and all those things. But our topic is different. Our domain is different now. That's why.
Just formula, sir.
Formulas also, in our case, for example, in our data science, in our class, standard deviation, variance, mode, mean, I explained it already.
Yes, sir. Yes.
So clearly explained. So whatever is there, I am explaining that.
Thank you, sir.
Right, Sumit. Suresh.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, ma.
Sir, data science classes మీరు తీసుకుంటారా సార్?
ఇప్పుడు నాకు అన్ని బ్యాచెస్ ఉన్నాయమ్మా. ఇప్పుడు ఎందుకంటే మనకు నంబర్ ఆఫ్ సబ్జెక్ట్స్ ఏమో ఎక్కువ ఉన్నాయి, కానీ స్లాట్స్ తక్కువ ఉన్నాయి కదా మనకు.
అవును సార్.
సో అది ఇంకా మనం స్టార్ట్ అవుతే అది బ్యాచ్ తీసుకుంటాను.
ఓకే సార్, థ్యాంక్ యూ.
రైట్. Okay, students, take care. All the best. Don't miss it.